We're exploring a lake in the wilderness. Hunt camp kind of a lake. This looks like a summer lodge. All those sticks. A beaver summer lodge. As does that over there. And that looks like it was definitely a lodge. You can see the grassy stuff on the side by that tree. See how the sticks have been chewed by beavers? That cut ends. All these stumps. Look at how this tree is growing out of that tree. Or maybe not. Maybe it's part of the tree and uh-oh. See how spiraled it is? Cedar, white cedar. I guess these have fallen from in the lake, and the wind has pushed them to the shore. See? The center is all clear. Or maybe they were just all standing right here by the edge and fell right where they are. If they floated there, there's a possibility of moving them. These are good teepee poles. I wonder if you could build a teepee in the pond. I guess you could. Look at that one, that's just a skeleton of a stump. Now this is that deep enough for me. Right there. That's very interesting stump. I like that. All those big holes in it, so well rounded. But look at what's attached to it. Like an anchor. Ain't getting that one out. not very safe to go close to these because, of course, you know, the logs are in the water. That one does not have a trunk attached. I'll get over here. Oh, but it's 3 trees together. See that one that's broken off without a tree? Its roots are joined, and those have big long roots on us. Focus on them. Well, this one's not that long. It's only down to here. Not pretty. See, that one's short. That one on the other side of it is very long. Oh, but it moved. Oh, it's separate. Huh, that's movable. Sorry. Had to back out. When I'm in the market for another stump, I know where to go. I'm going to turn this one off now. I don't know why. I just feel like it. I can do that because it's my movie.